For defense.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Xavier Lucero, and winning head coach Chito Victorero. Coach Chito, it was a very close game between you and Tara Pullman. During the last few minutes, nagsamutan kayo ng basket, ano? Pero it was that 4-point crucial play ni Paul that really sparked Magnolia during the last few moments. Was that play really designed for him, or was that his intention?
First of all, I'd like to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for this W. I know it's an ugly win, but I will take it. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 10 points, 20 points. As long as we will win the game. We're battling every possessions, and we have a hard time to execute. I think there's a factor on the chemistry with Bas, and it takes time to get that rhythm on the offensive and defensive end. But regarding your questions, the play is designed to Bas and to create for his shots or for his teammates, and the opportunity to free fall on that spot. Medyo naging maganda naman yung ikot, and we have that clear shot for Cody. And yun, it's a we need to be more, I think, kailangan pa namin siguro makilala si Shabazz, because he's only here for 5 days or 6. So, ang complete practice pa lang namin siguro sa kanya 2 days pa lang. So, I think it takes time, and we're very patient. Hopefully, we can adjust right away before the Tuesday's game.
Coach, 1 week pa lamang nagpa-practice yung import ninyo with you guys. But aside from that, saan pa nag-struggle ang Magnolia today? Having the Infirmary close behind you guys?
I think 5 days pa lang siya sa amin. I think foul trouble, si Bas, for first quarter is just 3 fouls, and we're also struggling on our execution. I think, sabi ko nga sa kanila, it's the mindset, and that's totally breakdowns on our mental aspects. Preparation for this game, yun yung mahirap. I think sabi ko nga sa kanila, there's no pressure on the other side, and we have all the pressure. And good thing, naka-deliver kami ng dami steps.
Coach, moving over to Zay, earlier you told me that you're still trying to get back to your own form before injury, but what can you say about your performance in helping your team, especially today?
My approach is the same every game. You know, I'm just trying to make winning plays on both ends of the floor as best I can. So I'm just glad that we were able to pull this one out, because we needed it. Whether it was ugly or pretty, at least, you know, they all count the same. So a win is a win, and I'm happy that I was able to help it in a win.
Now, what can you say about the trust that your teammates and your coaches give you?
Like I said last time, it's been it means the world to have your trust. You know, to go out there and kind of play my game, and so I mean, guys are finding me in spots where I can be effective, and then being on the court in big moments to try to to do the things that help us win.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Congratulations to both. Xavier, before the only 4-point shot, you were the one who kept the ball alive by getting that rebound. Describe that sequence that led to the 4-point shot by Paul.
Yeah, I was. I think me just knowing that, you know, in the closing moments of the game, you gotta do what you gotta do to be able to win the game. So Jarek, credit to Jarek, he missed a good shot. It was like in and out, and it created a very short rebound for me. So yeah, and then you know I passed it out to Mark, and Mark made the extra one to Paul, who's obviously been in these moments and is one of our best shooters. So.
How tough was this game considering their firm was coming to the ball game 0-6 and they're missing their key players? Especially sometimes it could be yeah.
Yeah, I think us coming into this game, like Coach said, all the pressure's on us and they have no pressure at all. But I mean that's no excuse. We need to play better, especially moving forward. And, but I think credit to those guys. They played well, especially Hester. I mean, he came to play and he was given a spit, so no credit away from those guys. Obviously, we talked about it before the game. Anyone that's in the PBA is here for a reason, so got to respect them and come out better next time.
Coach, with this win, naiwasan nyo na magkatablaan sa 3-4 with Converge and Northport. Sa third pa rin kayo. 3 games left sa group stage. Tingin mo ba it's a big relief na kahit paano inside top pa kayo sa quarterfinals?
Yeah, it's a big win for us. We know we're trying to separate with the other teams, and I think our game on Tuesday is very crucial. We don't know. The goal is to go to the quarters, and we don't want. It's either 1-4. I don't care. Basta siguro nandun kami, and we just try to win every game as much as possible. And we have 3 more games, and we will use this game on Tuesday as our test also. But again, we need to come up with a good game plan, plus the fact that we need to incorporate Shabazz to our system, and hopefully by that time medyo gumanda na yung flow ng offense and defense na.
Why would you decide to change your import? Based on the numbers, statistics wise, yung decent naman yung numbers ni Lenovo, so that prompted you to...
I mean, the numbers is there, which is double-double, and but the way, that is the way that we need to, because we changed because of this kind of game. We want somebody to take charge down the stretch like Bas. We want him, if you see all in the last 4 or 5 minutes of the game, we want him to take over the game, we want him to maybe smooth, and let's see kung saan kami pupunta doon. But yun yung gusto namin makita sa kanya. And although he is involved to a ball, medyo siguro excited lang yung tao. Medyo talagang nung last game pa yung gusto maglaro. So medyo na-excite lang siya. But I think he will adjust in the next few games.
Coach, napapag-usapan na rin si Baz. Parang ganda lang kayo ka-relief na syempre alam naman natin na tagal ng clearance para makuha.
Yeah, I'm happy. And of course, this kind of nandiyan na siya, nakalaro na siya. And sometimes it's not on our control also. We want him to play, but of course, hindi naman natin kontrolado lahat. Diba? So, thankful because yun nga, nakasama na namin siya.
Coach, ganda laro ni Hester, parang may gusto patunayan sa inyo.
Yeah, that's another motivation I think for him. because the last time, the first round, medyo masama yung laro niya. And now, siguro motivated siya to bounce back. And hirap. Medyo talagang nakabuelo si Antonio. And magandang test sa amin yun. And I think we learn a lot from this game.
Hindi kaya trying to prove na dapat siya yung team manager.
Hindi natin alam. Thank you.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Once again, congratulations to Maguire.